Hello everyone and welcome to the walk around video here at your next car of this absolutely incredible sunset orange 320D M Sport G20 3 Series. So as always, we're going to begin with taking a walk around the exterior of the vehicle. I'm going to talk you through some of the major talking points and features of both the exterior and interior. I will of course go around, take a seat inside the vehicle, where once we're there we will go through some of the interior features and options in a bit more depth. With all of the G20 series, there is a huge amount packed into these vehicles, so I will of course be covering as much as I can in this 5 to 6 minute video. So with the exterior of the vehicle, as I've mentioned, is presented in that very eye-catching and striking sunset orange, and we have finished that off with the full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit. Not only that, this vehicle does come with both the M Sport Plus pack and the technology pack. The technology pack primarily focuses on the interior, so we will of course get to that. However, that M Sport Plus pack does include the very nice M Sport Plus brakes. As you can see, they're sitting behind the optional extra 19-inch bi-colour jet black alloy wheels, which are in fantastic condition. So you'll also see the bigger brakes on the rear very shortly. At the front of the vehicle, it is of course a 2019 plate, and you'll see both the gloss front splitter and kidney grills along with the new style LED headlights. Down the side of the vehicle, to really complement the sunset orange, we've got the gloss black side blades, carbon fibre style side vinyls and YNC Mperformance decals, along of course with the sun protection glazing, as you can see there. The interior for this vehicle is once again that very nice black Venenskia leather, which is in very nice condition and comes with both the heated and electric lumbar options. You'll also see one of the special things for the interior on the new 3 Series being its ambient lighting settings, which is all interchangeable to suit your colour wants and needs. As part of the technology package, you do have the ever popular Harman Kardon surround sound with Logic 7 speaker system, which really does change your whole experience on the audio side of things. Moving on to the rear seats on the 3 Series, again we've got a 3-seat Isofix rear bench with the centre folding armrest, and another option that's been ticked on this 3 Series is the M seat belt. So as you can see there, you've got the M highlights stitched into them, which although it's only a very small option, does make for a change to the interior feel and of course look of it altogether, and is definitely one of my new favourite options for the newer BMW Rangers. Again, we'll just show you off these lovely 19-inch alloy wheels before I head round to the rear of the car, where we can highlight the gloss black M rear spoiler and the matching rear diffuser. As part of the M Sport Plus pack on the newer BMW Rangers, you now get gloss black exhaust tips, which look really nice against that orange colour again. A rear facing reversing camera, and again these new style 3-dimensional rear lights looking very nice. We'll open up the boot so you can have a look at the luggage capacity, which again has been improved from the previous shape. You'll also see the genuine BMW floor mats which will accompany the vehicle. You now also get split folding seats as standard. And we'll head round to the other side, take a look at just how nicely this vehicle is presented, along with giving you time to look at the alloy wheels once again, and of course sitting behind them those larger rear M brakes. Before I head on inside the vehicle to of course go over some of the very special features and options that you'll find on the G20 3 Series, especially this one because, as I've mentioned, it has got that technology pack, and I'll try and get in as much as that as possible. So as soon as you enter one of the new 3 Series, you're greeted by the absolutely incredible live cockpit. As you can see there, this vehicle has covered just over 30,000 miles, and it is actually one of the first G20 3 Series we've had here to go over its first service mileage. However, everything inside this vehicle and on the exterior looks, feels and sounds exactly as the same as some of the ones we've had here that have covered less than 5,000 miles, which is a really nice feel and generally typical of everything BMW. The quality is absolutely incredible. So without further ado, we'll start the car up and give you a bit of a tour about the live cockpit, and then move over to the professional wide navigation and media screen we've got. So as you can see, it's also coming up for its second service, which will be carried out at our local BMW dealer to of course keep in with that full BMW warranty that the vehicle still has. Alongside that, there in the centre of the live cockpit, we've got the map view currently up. You'll also notice the difference, if you've not yet seen one of these, with the very nice digital speedo alongside the rev counter and normal speedometer. Moving over to this very nice professional wide navigation and media screen, which does differ from the smaller one because the smaller one only has I think it's a 9 point something screen. This is the much larger one, which is all now touchscreen. However, if you're not a fan of touchscreen, don't fear, because there is a nice iDrive scroll wheel still placed down in the traditional spot. But however, it's a user-friendly system and it can be swiped through effortlessly to obtain a wide array of different information and media inputs. First of all, we'll start off with the navigation system, which again, very nice and easy to use. And you can see there it's a pinch and zoom system, much like many of your smartphone devices. So say if we want to set a destination to over here, we can simply touch and it will set a destination to there, or even save it as a favourite. Communications wise, you of course get Bluetooth audio and Bluetooth telephone. This vehicle also comes again equipped with Apple CarPlay and screen mirroring, useful for non-Apple users. Media wise, DAB, wide array of other multimedia inputs, as well as the Apple CarPlay, which we've just mentioned. And as you can see there is all the DAB feeds. The vehicle itself has already had a service, as I've mentioned, and we are going to be carrying out another one. But as you can see there, it's had a pre-delivery inspection service, and its first service was carried out at 16471 at a BMW dealership. So full BMW service history, and that will continue once we have the vehicle serviced. Another option on this car, again as part of that technology pack, is the wireless charging tray you can see down here. I'm not sure how well that's picking it up, but you might just be able to pick up the charging icon on our little phone down here, which is obviously currently displaying our website as well, where you can check out further details on this incredible Sunset Orange 320D M Sport. So guys, without further ado, that is going to be how we end off this video. That is just some of the technology that's packed into this very nice 3 Series. We do hope you find this walk around video useful. If you do want to find out any further information in regards to pricing and of course the vehicle itself, down below in the description will be a link to our website where you can obtain that information. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch the video. We do hope to see you very, very soon. Thank you, take care, and goodbye.